You might have tried to sign up with some survey sites online and they tell you that it's not for Nigerians, or probably you might have been scammed several times. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 survey sites that are for Nigerians. Stick to the end of this video and I will surprise you. Number one is survey site. Survey site is available worldwide and it seems to be one of the sites that is available for Nigerians. Now, they have a lot of offers. Most of these sites that I'm going to mention do not just offer surveys. There are a lot to it. Now, survey site gives you the opportunity to take surveys as a Nigerian. All you need to do is to exercise patience after signing up, and then they will send surveys to your email. That way you will fill the surveys and submit. You should also take note of this, that taking surveys online cannot really give you full-time earnings. It will only send some money into your account, maybe $10, $5, $3. Before we continue, I want to let you know that some of these sites, there are more to it. In other words, there are other ways that you can earn more money other than taking surveys alone. So when you sign up with them, try to check their requirements and the offers they have. That way you can earn more money. Number two is GTM panel. GTM panel is one of the sites that have a specific panel for Nigerians, and so you can step in and make some money. They offer a lot of surveys for Nigerians. So this is one of the best sites that you can sign up with them, and then they direct you to a specific panels for Nigerians, and that way it's easy to work with and your surveys are sent right to your email box. Number three, Moblog. Moblog also have a specific panel for Nigerians, and this panel make it easy for Nigerians to access and fill their surveys. So Moblog is one of the best sites that is available for Nigeria. Number four, Timebox. Timebox is an interesting site for Nigerians. If you're living in Nigeria, then you have to work here because it offers interesting surveys specifically for Nigeria. Number four, Timebox. Timebox is an interesting site for Nigerians. If you're living in Nigeria, then you have to work here because it offers interesting surveys specifically for Nigeria. In Timebox, not all of the methods available offer good money. So when you sign up with them, you need to examine which of the system, which of the area, which of their offers will give you more money. It ranges from video watching, taking a few tasks. They may offer you some works to do. It may be the normal surveys and other things, a lot of things that are available in Timebox. So when you sign up with them, always look at the other offers that can increase your earnings. Number five is Surveyor. Surveyor is spelled Surveyeah. So it's one of the simplest. This is the simplest site that you can sign up and start making money. This is how it works. All you need to do with Surveyor is to sign up, fill in your details, and they will be sending your surveys direct to your mailbox, and they pay very fast. Number six is Ysense. Ysense is worldwide. Anywhere in the world you can access Ysense, but they have this special offer for Nigerians, and all you need to do is sign up with them and follow the instructions. And one thing about Ysense is that they pay you through PayPal. Number seven is Wow App. That is WOWAPP. Wow App. Wow App is the most interesting site in this list. Among the 10 sites I'm listing here, the Wow App is the best. Your opportunity to do so many things in Wow App and make some money. So this is the best among the 10. This is the best. So sign up with them and you can make money fast, clean, quick, direct to your bank. Number 8 is Cointiply. Cointiply is best for those that can earn through cryptocurrency. So if you have a digital account that you can pay in, that they can pay you through cryptocurrency, then this site will really work for you. And most of their surveys, they pay $3. Number 9, Future Point. Future Point do not really have a huge paid surveyors for Nigerians, but they are the easiest to work with. That is why this one is included in this list. So if you try, be patient, and they may or may not permit you to work, but most times they allow Nigerians to also take surveys. And number 10 is Reward One. Reward One is not easy to work with, but with patience, they will offer you some surveys to take. And the good thing about this site is that they pay better than every other site I have mentioned. So when you sign up with them, all you need is patience, and one survey or the other will fall into your mailbox. And when you get that done, you have good cash, ranging from $5 to $26. So you can earn good money if they send you surveys every week, and then you can calculate and know the amount you will earn a month from this site. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting videos on how to make money, how to manage money, how to make money online, how to market your business, how to start your own business, how to draw a budget, and so many more. All about this side is money, how you can make money. See you in my next video. Don't fail to subscribe.